fighter jet. Holy shit. It's 6:41 a.m. in Albuquerque and there are already hot air balloons in the sky. Look at that. That's so cool. That one's lit up. Wow. More of them. They're actually pretty close to ground. Palm tree and checkered. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wow. Sunrise over the mountains. Police car. What's going on here? Motorcycle parking only? Yep, that's why. Motorcycle, cars. Even the Starbucks here have hot air balloons. I think it's takeoff time, 7 a.m. We got 2 lifting off. We got the same idea. Starbucks hot air balloon watching. Another's coming. That's it. More of them are coming out. An Intel hot air balloon. They're moving pretty fast. How do they control where they're going? I had to get a video of a car with all the hot air balloons. That's so cool. There's so many of them. Look at that. Where are they not going? Visit Albuquerque. These are Albuquerque traffic police. Look at them. They have their lasers right there. So on the right side of the bike, they have their laser. And on the left side of their bike, that's a moving radar. That's a siren. Pretty decked out. Very nice though. Dark blue. Had to take a video with all the hot air balloons. There's a hot air balloon with horns. What a great time to come to Albuquerque. I had no idea this was happening until someone told me. So I woke up early today. We're gonna make our way towards White Sands Park, which is about 3.5 hours that way, while looking at these balloons. Someone had an oopsie on the highway. A lot of police cars. Man. My first time at Dutch Bros, and today is sticker day. So we'll see what they give out today. The guy at the window likes stickers, so I traded him some GTR ones for Dutch Bros stickers. It looks like they're landing. But how do they get back? Did they get put on a truck or something? Well, I guess there is a field where they deflate. That's a turbine, wind turbine blade getting transported with escorts. I can see why aliens chose here because, like, just look at this, bro. You'll look in every direction and there's nothing. I'm pretty sure that little ball over there is a missile site. There's a sign that says White Sands Missile Site or something. I have a feeling NORAD is somewhere tucked away here. Oh, fighter jet. Oh, it's coming this way. It's coming this way. Fuck. Holy shit. I just had an F-16 flyby and I don't see where it is, but that was so cool. We are maybe an hour away from White Sands National Park, and that is a long straightaway. Got some stickers on this rainbow squirrel. Yes, more stickers. Giant pistachio by the side of the highway. Got some stickers. You can kind of see it now. It's that white piece of sand looking thing over there. Well, that's White Sands National Park, so we're gonna go there. We're in the national park. Oh, the pavement ends. Alright, GTR goes off-roading, let's go. Driving on sand, watch out for people. Yeah, that's important. This is sick. Got out the car for some photos, and wow, this is so cool. Sandy. The good thing about this national park is that the sand is dry. It's not like sand from the sea, which is salty. There's an RV coming. I'm not supposed to be here, but these guys are nice. Apparently I wasn't supposed to stop back there, so they were like, oh, you're not supposed to be here because it's closed. But the closed sign we're at was actually for like a turnout on the side, and I didn't know that this whole section was closed. So yeah, they did what they unfortunately I am not. And I'm back looking at sand. You can go in there? That's sick. I saw somebody with the toboggan. The sand is actually really, really fine. Like, look at that. Very soft too, so I'm not gonna go up there because my shoe's gonna get all sandy. Sand tobogganing. That looks so fun. There's a little lizard right there. Hi. We are in El Paso. So if you look to the right, if you look all the way past those buildings, that's Mexico over there. We're not gonna go there this time. It's kind of scary, but we're gonna go towards east and then go to Houston. That's a Chihuahua plate. I've never seen that before. On the I-10, now we have a clear view of Mexico in the distance. There's like a little border between El Paso and Houston or whatever, and there's like an inspection station for trucks and small cars. Looking at some Texas mountains. A lot of locks here, different kinds too. Like you have the bicycle locks, you have the padlocks, you have whatever that is, and if you go over there, someone locked their steering wheel club over there. That's pretty funny. I've always wanted to come here, but it's just so out of the way. But there's me. But if you look inside, there's actually like Prada stuff, like the shoes, the bags. These cars are very loud when there's nothing around. Side note, how did that bug get hit on the wheel? There's another one in the back here too, like right there, just splattered. That's it, Prada Marfa in the middle of the highway. There's nothing around. We got a second car of ladies that just came to stop by to visit the spot as well. Behind this building are all the locks and stuff. It's actually quite nice here, actually. I see a communication blimp up there. It's tethered to the ground. So what they use is they use that as a line of sight to get over the Earth's curvature. Oh, hello train. Curvature to relay like signal, usually for the military. But cool to see one of these here too. Marfa, Texas, known for, well, that Prada Store, but there's also a bunch of art installation in this little town that we're gonna explore. Why is Texas green? This is like the funny part of Arizona, where Arizona was green and now Texas is green. First spot, this is for Robert Irwin's Untitled from Dusk Till Dawn. A couple concrete looking buildings with no windows and a courtyard. Cars just over there. Very nice gravel. Alright, here we go. 8 more hours to Houston. There's going to be a lot of Texas, western Texas landscape on this drive. Tiny town has some really pretty buildings. Oh, it's a university. Texas sunset. Oh, he got someone. I've been passed by like 5 cars already, and I'm doing, well, the speed limit is 80 miles per hour over here, and I'm still getting passed by all these other cars. This car's way too slow. We pull over at the rest stop to check the front because I hit something that came off a tractor trailer, and it did that. The intercooler is dented but not punctured, so. This piece is like, it hit the back. The license plate actually came off because that's Velcroed, and that came off, so that license plate actually saved the intercooler. Oh well, car's still good. Back on the road. Just got in San Antonio. We're still 3 hours away from Houston. Finally in the outskirts of Houston, and Buc-ee's. I will go there